40 Days Lenten Prayer Guide, Day 21. Prayer for Kindness and Compassion. Dear God, thank you for being so kind, so loving, and so full of compassion. You are always patient with me, even when I make mistakes. Help me to be like you. Help me to choose kindness in my words, in my actions, and in my thoughts. When someone is hurting, show me how to care. When someone feels left out, help me to notice. And when I feel upset, teach me to stay gentle. Fill my heart with love, a love that forgives, a love that listens, a love that reaches out. Help me to be a light in someone's dark day. Let my kindness bring joy, and my compassion bring peace. Use me to make the world a little better, one small act of kindness at a time. Thank you for walking with me, God. I want to grow every day in kindness, in compassion, and in love. Amen. Thank you for praying with me. And if you like this prayer, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.